Hello, people. So, today we are having a very simple topic which is sources of drug. तो करते हैं स्टार्ट. सोर्सेज ऑफ ड्रग. तो ड्रग के क्या क्या सोर्सेज हो सकते हैं? तो सिंपल है. प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, माइक्रोब्स, मिनरल्स, सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स, बायोटेक प्रोडक्ट्स. बायोटेक से भी ड्रग्स बनती है आजकल. सिंथेटिकली ड्रग्स बनती है और ये सब तो है ही. प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, माइक्रोब्स एंड मिनरल्स. एक एक को डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या क्या ड्रग्स मिलेंगी, कैसे मिलेंगी. ठीक है. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स है हमारे पास. प्लांट से बहुत कुछ मिलता है हमको, उसके बाद हम बाकी सबको देखेंगे. ठीक है. तो प्लांट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्लांट से हमको मिलेगी 4 चीज़ें. ठीक है. एल्कलॉइड्स मिलते हैं, ग्लाइकोसाइड्स मिलते हैं, ऑयल्स मिलते हैं. सो बेसिकली 3 चीज़ें मिलती है. ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग विथ एल्कलॉइड्स. एल्कलॉइड्स एज द नेम सजेस्ट, दीज आर एल्कलाइन नाइट्रोजनस सब्सटेंस. ठीक है. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो सकते हैं? मॉर्फिन, एट्रोपिन, एफेड्रीन, निकोटीन, अर्गोटामाइन, क्विनाइन, विनक्रिस्टीन, रेजापाइन, ये सब मिलेंगे. ठीक है. These are all obtained from plants. These are the alkaloids obtained from plants. Which are they? Morphine, atropine, nicotine, rezapine. These are quite common, right? And the second category which is obtained from plants is glycosides. ठीक है. Glycosides में क्या होता है? A non-sugar heterocyclic moiety is present which is called a glycon, and it is connected with sugar moiety through an ether bond, right? So this O suggests here that there is ether bond between a glycon and the sugar moiety, right? Now the examples we are having of glycosides are cardiac glycosides. Okay. Then the names for cardiac glycosides are digoxin and obane, right? And the other aminoglycosides, example gentamicin, these are obtained from microbes, not from plants, right? And these are the antibiotics in which in place of sugar moiety we are having amino group, right? So these are the glycoside group. Other than these, we are having oils which are also obtained from plants. These are viscous, inflammable and insoluble, obviously. So there are four categories. Sorry, these are 3 categories obtained from oils, and other than these, resins, balsams, these are also obtained from plants, right? So the first category of oils is fixed and non-volatile oil, which is fixed. It cannot be, like, it doesn't evaporate. Okay. So these are basically triglycerides of fatty acids, and these we use in food like oil, ghee we are having, right? So वेजिटेबल ऑयल हो गया. ठीक है. ग्राउंड नट ऑयल, कोकोनट ऑयल, सीसम ऑयल, कैस्टर ऑयल, दीज आर ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फिक्स्ड ऑयल्स, राइट? देन द सेकेंड कैटेगरी इज एसेंशियल ऑयल्स. Essential oils are what? These are terpene hydrocarbons. ठीक है. They are not having any food value. They are just used for flavoring or counter irritants. They are used as counter irritants, and they are used as astringent. What are astringents? These are for stopping blood flow and for tightening skin, right? So that blood doesn't loss, right? And then the examples we are having of essential are eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, nilgiri oil, clove oil, which we are using in dental for eliminating pain, right? Then we are having menthol, thymol, camphor, mouthwash. These 3 are used in mouthwashes and toothpaste, right? Then the third category, which are not obtained from minerals obviously, but they are obtained from, no, they are not obtained from plant. Mineral oils are obtained from petrol, etc., right? And the example we are having is paraffin, which we are using like very widely as a lubricant laxative. Now what are laxatives? Laxatives are these are substances which are used for passing stool easily, right? They are lubricants. Okay. And other than this, soft and hard paraffin is used as emollient and ointment basis. Okay. Then the fourth category which we have is resins and balsams, gums and tannins. These are also obtained from plants, right? Now resins are used as antiseptics, cough mixture, gums are used for demulcents, okay, and tannins are used as astringent again. Okay. Then we are having the second category. Other than plants, we obtain drug from our animals. ठीक है. Animals से क्या क्या मिल सकता है? Adrenaline, thyroxine. Thyroxine is a thyroid hormone. Then if you are having any disease regarding thyroid hormone where production is not there or something like that, ठीक है, उसमें हम एनिमल सोर्स से लेते हैं. इंसुलिन हो गया, लिवर एक्सट्रैक्ट, वैक्सीन्स, राइट. वैक्सीन्स आर ऑल्सो ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. And then the third category, microbes. What do we obtain from microbes? Basically, most of the antibiotics we are having, we obtain from fungi, actinomycetes, bacteria, right? And these are, if we give examples for antibiotics, we know many, right? Penicillin, gentamicin, tetracycline, erythromycin, there are many. ठीक है. इसके अलावा we obtain enzymes from microbes, which are diastase, streptokinase. Okay, we know this, right? Then other than this, minerals. So we also have many minerals in our body which are used. ठीक है. तो वो ड्रग्स में भी बहुत सारे मिनरल्स यूज होते हैं, जैसे कि आयरन हो गया, आयोडीन, कैल्शियम सॉल्ट. ये सारी चीज़ें भी हम डायरेक्टली मिनरल से ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं, विच कैन बी यूज्ड इन ड्रग्स, राइट. देन वी हैविंग सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स. मतलब कुछ ड्रग्स डायरेक्ट पूरे की पूरी सिंथेटिकली बन रही है. क्यों बन रही है? टू अचीव ग्रेटर सेलेक्टिविटी फॉर द एक्शन, ताकि वो उनका एक्शन जो है वो पूरा सेलेक्टिव हो सके. नॉर्मली जो ड्रग होती है जो प्लांट से मिल रही है, या उनके एक्शंस वाइड होते हैं, बहुत वाइड होते हैं. दे आर नॉट सेलेक्टिव इनफ, राइट. सो अगर हमको सेलेक्टिव एक्शन चाहिए, पर्टिकुलरली एक ही टाइप का एक्शन होना चाहिए, सो इट्स बेटर टू यूज सिंथेटिक ड्रग्स. ठीक है. इसके एग्जांपल्स बेंजोडाइazepines, thiazides, ACE inhibitors, you know these, right? Then the sixth category, biotech products. So nowadays, as the technology has advanced so much, we are having biotech. We are making drugs by biotech, by using biotech. So examples for these are human growth hormone and human insulin. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please do like, share, and subscribe.